This is my new series on my channel. New zombie game that came out a few days ago called Amy. I've already done the first level, but well, I forgot to record it. That'd be a little bright. Yeah, let me change that. Oh, that's not good. What's that? The controls are a little annoying on it. It's running to press 2 buttons. It's a bit stupid, but it's a cool game. Oh shit, what happened? Oh yeah, you're like bitten or something, you're infected with the disease and the zombie thing. You keep getting medicine and shit to keep alive. I started crying.
Amy.
Oh, there.
I'm pleased I found you. Listen.
We're the big monster in the fucking door.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Break out or anything.
I promise.
Well, it's gonna break out now. It always happens at a checkpoint. Watch. Maybe not, actually. Maybe so. What's wrong with his head? Oh, what the hell? That was a fucking fail. Close it. Close it. Oh shit. That did not go well. I think I meant to kill that thing. I don't know, I just tried running. Damn. Should be like survival mode in this because it's so fucking hard. Maybe there is. Oh, fucking Christ, this again. Damn. I'm just gonna use that medicine now. Right up. Ugh, shit, I need a bits. I'm gonna use that medicine thing. Oh, I've got 0. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick them fucking up. What is that? 5. Or maybe S. Yeah, these videos are going to be pretty short, I don't know. Just to keep the views high. I'll put them into like parts with 5 minutes in each. This will be a short one because it's the first. Alright, so see you in part 2.